Welcome, today I am with Kia Sportage and I will show you how you can make calls with your Android Auto. So for sure we have to be connected through Bluetooth with our Android phone, and when we are in the home screen we have to simply tap on the phone icon right here. Here we can find at the first the entire list of our calls. We got also dialed, received and missed. But if you want to make call, you have to go for a contact list, just like that, and I can make call maybe for this one. So just tap on it. Here you can pick the number, because if on your Android smartphone you got one contact with two different numbers, you have to pick that one that you want to connect. I'm going for the first one. It's the same number but just put it 2 times. So just take a look. I'm going to change the volume.
Halo?
Halo, to połączenie testowe. Rozłączam się za 3, 2, 1. So as you can hear, that's it. It was pretty simple, right? And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.